Hey, Kent.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Hey, you know what?
What?
I'm Living Light RV.
I'm Living Light RV. We did it, guys. We're in our house on wheels. We're just heading out right now to go to our farewell party, meeting all of our friends and hanging out. It's going to be a fun night, and then we'll hit the road tomorrow. This has been an incredible journey. This is amazing. So now we just need to get through Calgary during rush hour.
That's right. So,
oh, look how pretty she is!
oh my word!
Woo!
This is home.
This is home. This is our home.
So it doesn't quite seem real yet. So it's sort of like a dream. So I guess I'm living the dream. Driving through Fernie, BC. Made it to another province. Sweet. Come on, Bessie. You can do the 4x4 thing. Good girl. Guys, look at this view that we woke up to this morning. Okay, obviously I have to clean my windows. This is gorgeous. Like, I can't even. This is like, wow. And we stayed here for free last night. We just drove down. Here, I'll show you where we went. We drove from the highway down this dirt road out to here. This is absolutely breathtaking. Fall colors are gorgeous. There was mist on those mountains this morning. Wow. Oh, Bessie. So if Lisa and I look a little bit tired, exhausted, worn out,
It's
because we're trying to recover. But we've got 3 days here to just walk around and to just, stay. So this is our recovery time, and it's working.
Rest.
Yeah,
We
just
need to
have some rest.
Yeah.
And so, what a nice place to do that rest.
Between the nature walks, the pond, the hot tub,
Yeah.
the just the quiet peacefulness out here. It's a good place to rest for sure.
So we're catching up. Hi, I'm Kent,
And I'm Lisa,
and we're Living Light RV.
grabbing life by the tail, and welcome to season 1.
Season 1 is here.
We did it.
We did it.
We totally got here. This is amazing. Wow.
Where's here?
Where's here? Here is Fulltime RV Life. Right now
Yeah.
we are in Washington. We're in Newport, Washington, and we're day 4 of life on the road today.
Day 4, yeah.
So come join us this week as we share our journey thus far on the road. So when we left Calgary, the first thing we did was went to our friend's house and visited a bunch of our friends and family.
Had a party.
A farewell party.
Yeah.
Which was bittersweet. We're excited, but it is hard to say goodbye to the people that we really care about and that we've just shared life with for the last 15 years plus.
And then we woke up to a bit of snow.
We did. It was beautiful though. We woke up, we were the only ones out there in the middle of the country, and little, just big fluffy snowflakes coming down, which I love snow. I'm what they call a, what's the word? It's a...
Weirdy?
Weirdy. I totally can't even remember the word.
Although I do know what we did that day. We drove to Cranbrook and we saw Frank's Slide.
The Frank Slide was interesting, actually. We didn't go through the whole interpretive center, but you can just walk around there for free. Check it all out. It's a good reminder that, you know, we just don't know what is around the bend in our future.
Yeah.
So live life to the fullest and appreciate every moment that we have.
Biggest landslide in Canadian history.
Yeah, it was pretty sobering to start out with that. Yeah, then where did we go after that?
Well, at the very end of the day, we drove down to the Kicking Horse Creek.
Wild Horse
Creek.
River, yeah.
Okay, river?
Oh, that was great.
Okay.
It's just outside of Fort Steele and boondocked. So that
Yes,
was
we
really
did.
fun. Boondocked out in the wild. So that was pretty cool. Gorgeous scenery out there, just under the bridge. And yeah, we saw a few salmon actually,
Quite a few.
at the end of their salmon run. So most of them weren't doing too well.
Some of them were
But
not
still
doing at
pretty.
all.
Yeah, some of them weren't doing at all. Those ones weren't pretty.
We didn't see any bear, but we know that there would be some in the area with that kind of
Oh, for
activity.
sure. Yeah.
But it was a wonderful nature walk.
That was a really nice place to stay. Oh, and we did 3 nights here and we really needed the rest.
And
So-
there's Sweet Bessie.
There's Sweet Bessie back there, up on the little hill. So it was fun to get her level up there, and we've been enjoying camping there. And it's been quiet because it's the end of the season. So this campground is actually pretty much closed tomorrow.
Yeah.
Love it. So we're just going for a little bit of a walk, and just wanted to welcome you to season 1, and look forward to many adventures in the future. What are you doing? Don't do it.
We're out of the city, honey.
It's so scary being in nature.
There's nature everywhere.
Ah! I don't like walking through overgrown brush like this. Do we go for a walk? What do we do? He's not coming towards us, is he?
Not yet.
Yeah, I'm scared.
I know.
I
Back
don't know
up.
what to do.
Back up. Go to the trees. Or just start talking to him.
Just start talking?
Yeah.
Okay. We're here. Hey, Mr. Moose.
We'll walk by him.
Honey, no. I don't think that's a good idea.
Yeah, we will.
Isn't that his territory? I feel like we're encroaching.
No, no, no. We're walking by.
It's okay, buddy. We're just walking by. We're not gonna hurt you. Just keep going. Okay, he's just going forward more. We're gonna intersect.
Well, we don't want to intersect.
Dear Jesus, please help us. Do not bother the big
We're
moose.
just talking. We're just talking.
Talk
We're
easy.
just talking. We're just
Yeah,
talking.
just keep on walking.
That's it. We're
good.
just
Let's get out
talking.
of your way.
We're
you can
just
have the
talking.
forest back.
He's pretty big.
Second. You're a very big guy.
We're just talking.
Don't make eye contact.
Why not?
Because you might feel threatened.
With me? I don't look like a moose.
Okay, so here's the deal. I'm celiac. I'm celiac, which means I have to figure out what kind of bread I like in the US versus in Canada. All the brands are different, and I know from experience that not all gluten-free breads are made the same. So
No gluten? No problem.
we'll try this one and see if it works. If you have any suggestions on the best gluten-free bread to buy, put them down below. Traveling from Richland, Washington to
Monroe. Thousand
Monroe,
Trails
Washington.
Thunderbird.
Exactly.
Something. RV
Thunderbird
park.
Campground.
We don't know.
Anyway, it's been a fun traveling day. Bessie's driving well. She's not too hard. I drove her so far today on some skinny roads with lots of semis around and no shoulder and lots of wind. I'm like, don't talk to me, I'm trying to drive.
That's right. No talking!
So I've earned this rest at this rest area for sure. But it's good. She's running well.
Awesome.
We went to stop and get gas.
It was too much. It was too much. It's like, keep going. Don't stop here. No.
Too expensive. So we'll try and find a city where we get a little bit cheaper gas. So
Yeah.
just stop on the side of the road.
Welcome to season 1.
We love it. Season 1 is awesome so far. Where are
Hey, we're at the Pacific Ocean.
we made it to the ocean!
Thank you.
This is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So this is the LaConner campground, and
Thousand
we just
Trails.
pulled in, and this is the view. Oh, you guys. Does it get any better than this?
Like, this is pretty sweet. I'm sorry, but I'm just wearing a t-shirt.
Sorry.
Oh well, it's
Sorry
October.
to all of our friends in Calgary. Come visit us. There's lots of spaces.
That's right, there are lots of spaces. Beautiful.
Loving it.